Hello friends, in this tutorial we talking about this assembly design. So going to start, we have one part here, we made it, this one, and we have to another one part to make it assembly. So select this one and going to the sketch. So we're going to the sketch. So we make it a circle over here. So okay, and exit the workbench, and no, we have to constrain this part. So go to the sketch and measure this part, make it 25 and exit, make it pocket. Here we made it 60, मतलब कि throughout हो जाएगा ये, make it 60. So this is the throughout hole you see here. So save this. Here is save button, Control yes or press on it. So close this part and go to the material design, part design, and we make one rod vertically and select the horizontal plane and go to the sketch. We make it the circle of 25 diameter. So and go to the exit and its height is, make it 70. So select this surface and go to the sketch. And we make it square over it. So this is yes, so make it square over it and exit the workbench and extrude it. Extrude it with the 20 mm and make this surface and go to the sketch, select and go to the sketch, and we have to form so make it 2 mm 2 mm. So select this and here to 2 mm, and this is the two mm. So this is the pocket command we use here throughout. 70, taking preview, we see this is throughout, press OK. So this is the one kind of the part we seen, and like screwdriver way. स्क्रू ड्राइवर से घुमाने के लिए हमने ये बनाया. So it is the part of the learning. So you have to save this part, press cross or directly here save as. Yes, so go to the desktop, part 2 here, and save. So here is this part is saved, and go to the assembly design. Here we coming in the assembly design, here product 1, or we have to coming in assembly design with the help of here file, new, and here we select the product and OK. Also we in the assembly design here also. So insert a part with the command of existing component. This existing component we use. The part will not movable to one point to another point. In this existing component with positioning, this command will give you the positioning opportunity here. So firstly we here this is selected and go to the product 1. So here we come and here press 1. So part 1 will coming and open this part 1. So okay, and go to the this command existing component with positioning, and go to the click on the product, and here we type part 2. We two part are selected on this desktop. We saved previously on the desktop and we call them, and this is the you see. So cancel. So और एक बार करते हैं product and part 2 and open. Here we part 2. So automatic rename. Okay, so this component will move here and there. This opportunity is coming in only in this command we talking previously. This command we positioning the part with the help of directly mouse dragging this existing component with positioning. This give you the opportunity fix the component. So fix the component, okay, and this component will so unfix this. So go to the this command. This is the manipulation command. So going to the manipulation, here also we move the parts. So we select the X direction. This is the X direction here, and this is the Y, and this is the Z direction. So we select this part with the help of this manipulation. Select X and we move this part along the X direction. Select Y, so move this part along X Y direction. Select Z and we moving part along the Z direction. So we use the XY plane to move this part. Here you go, XY plane. This is moving along the XY plane. So moving along the YZ plane, Y and Z, this plane. So we're moving along the YZ plane and moving along the XZ plane as well as. So drag around the x-axis means we drag along the x-axis, we drag it along the x-axis. So this is the use of this manipulation bar. So press OK and go to the, this is the very useful command manipulation. Here we use the manipulation with the help of this compass also. So drag this compass, press this red icon and hold it, select button, and we going to place on this point, on this surface or this surface or this surface also. So we moving on this surface. So this is the moving part. So we select this and we vertical, this is Y direction, we Y direction, press, hold it, and we move this part along the Y direction. We round means we rotate these parts along XY direction along this red icon or red point. We also rotate this along the Z direction and X direction also, this and that also. So this manipulation using the compass also we forming. So next part is the constraint command. This one I make it horizontal, and here we see this is the coincident constraint. So select this, and this two axes will coincident with each other, this and this automatically selected. So click on update, this is the update button. So click on update. No, this is something wrong. So press the Ctrl Z. Here we give the angular motion to this and this. So we note the positioning. So part 1, part 1 and part body. So I'm going to the contact coincident constraint. So select this command and select this axis and this axis. So going to update. So this is the output of this object. So this is second command is contact constraint. Select this, we select this surface and this surface and going to the contact constraint. So going to update. So this is the contact between them is surface contact. The third command is offset constraint. So we make the Ctrl Z to remove that contact, surface contact. So we this part and this part. So select this offset command, and we select this surface. So not selected, so we use this surface and this surface. So okay, so this is the offset with this is the 70. So we use the 100, so 30 mm gap between two surfaces, bottom one and this top one. So press enter and go to update. So this is it. So here we construction coincidence and surface contact we here deleted, and here we surface contact is deleted here, and we have to move this part. So go to move this and we select this. So go to the offset command, and we select this surface and this surface is already so go to the firstly compass at this position, and go to the offset command. We select this surface, zoom it and select this and rotate this and select this, and we make this the 50 mm offset. So we see here update, so 50 mm distance between this and this offset is forming along this, and our offset command is selected. So next command is angle. So we give the angle with the axis and axis, but here coincidence will here firstly we given to the two axis. So delete this and going to the angle command. So select this axis and this axis and go to the 45 degree and press enter. So going to the update. So what is this? So offset command, delete this, and we made it at this moment. So select this and this and 45 degree, enter, and going to the update.